Hey there! I'm Phytoshine, a tiny herbal capsule, but highly potent. I have a question for you. Are you feeling frustrated with your health problems? I want to help you shine and transform your health with phytonutrients from the land, sea, and mountain. Look, if you are serious and want to achieve your optimal health, I have potent phytonutrients for your body that desperately need to take you from an older junker car to Lamborghini-like performance fast. Miracle molecules make me so powerful, and they come to me from natural sources like herb leaves, seeds, root, spices, fruits, algae, and Himalayan rocks. I was discovered by breakthrough research, and clinical studies have made me more potent and powerful. I am going to show you how you can supercharge the immune system to fight against diseases. Listen, I am made up of a unique blend of therapeutic ingredients with high polyphenol concentration, which reduces oxidative stress, inflammation, viral and microbial infections. Sounds interesting? Let me tell you the most excellent way. I am a tiny capsule that can help you get jaw-dropping benefits such as boost immunity, clean toxins out, regulate blood sugar, manage cholesterol, increase energy, stamina, vigor, and vitality. The best part is that you don't get any side effects. Remember, 46 capsules a day is all you need. Join 500,000 happy customers and trust our product to make your health optimal. I hope to see you soon!